Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's printable junk journal kit that's now available in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month's printable junk journal kit is titled Explore, Dream, Discover and includes 10 printable papers or junk journal pages and 5 pages of junk journal elements and ephemera. You can use this printable junk journal kit to make your own travel-themed journal or combine it with any of the other kits that are currently available in the club. The printable pages can be used as pages for your junk journals, or they can be used as tear sheets for creating layered collages. To use the printables as pages, simply print them double-sided onto good quality copy paper or cardstock, fold the pages in half, and insert them into your junk journal. I'm using my no-sew junk journal, but you could use the pages with any other type of junk journal. You can also use the page files, together with my digital border templates and overlays, to create quick and easy junk journal pages with decorative borders. These templates can be purchased separately in my online store. The templates are easy to use. You can use the PDF files with your own paper, such as scrapbook paper, or you can use the PNG format files with digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop Elements, which is what I'm using here, or even Canva. Once you've finished designing, save the files in JPEG format and print them out onto copy paper or cardstock. Included in this month's kit, you'll find lots of printable elements and ephemera, including clip art, cards and tags, pockets, and some vintage ephemera. The pockets and envelopes are easy to assemble. Make a crease along the fold lines and tabs, fold the pieces over, then glue the assembly together using either double-sided tape or craft glue. As well as the printable junk journal kit, this month I've also included a junk journal template set with mini postcards and envelope. These templates are easy to use and they help you to create your own junk journal elements in no time at all. The templates include PDF and PNG formats. To use the PDF templates, load your own paper, such as a printable paper or scrapbook paper, into your printer. Then print the PDF file. Make sure the page scaling option is set to none so that the page prints at the correct size. Your PDF dialog box might be different to mine, but you'll have a similar setting. When using the PNG format files, you have more creative options. You can use these files with digital papers in a photo editing program such as Photoshop, Photoshop Elements, or Canva. I'm using Photoshop Elements. It's easy to use these templates. Simply add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. Using the PNG templates, you can add different papers to different sections of the template. Just make sure to place the papers on a layer underneath the template and then position them wherever you want. Once you're happy with the layout, save the file in JPEG format and print it out onto a piece of cardstock.